So, we had a really stupid idea. We're going to see how many times Beetlejuice falls off the trailer when he's dragging it down. Oh, shit. Ah! Well, that's one. Hey, watch it, son. Back up. There's 2 times.
Oh, now we're stuck.
Now we're stuck. All right. Something tells me this is not a good idea.
Top the ladder out. Now the trail's hung up on the first spot.
There. I guess we can move it. There's 3 times it's fallen off. Alright. Now it's hooked on the fender. There's not really a good place to put it right here.
Yeah.
You would think the hill would help, but it doesn't. Here, let me... What if we go like that? And 4 times it makes it down the hill. Only fell off 4 times, that's pretty good.